Weekend curfew rules will be implemented from Friday evening 7 p.m. to Monday morning 5 a.m. Then these food shops and all will be opened from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. And in that, emergency, essential and COVID related duties, persons and vehicles will be having unrestricted movement. They should produce ID card. Similarly, people carrying patient or attendants or people going for vaccination are allowed on submission of proofs. And this food, fruit shops, vegetables, meat, fish, animal fodder, dairy and all will allow to open from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is different, sir. On regular weekends, food related all shops will be allowed to open from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. but on weekend curfew days only from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Similarly, this movement of buses, private taxis, public vehicle, public transport will be allowed, but people who are moving only to carry passengers from house to bus stand or railways or airport, and also they can pick up people from bus stand, airport and to their homes. And they should produce the ticket on demand. One thing we are to curtail this COVID, we need to follow SMS. One is social distance, mask, sanitizers, and in that we are strictly implementing the mask and social distance. So we are levying more mask cases on daily basis, and we are also restricting the unnecessary movement of people by seizing vehicles. Whenever we find people are unnecessarily moving, we are seizing their vehicles, and also we are levying mask cases. If we find any shops not following any COVID guidelines, we are also booking cases on them. This being strictly implemented in Kalaburagi city.
So any message for police department persons?
We are working day and night 24/7 to curtail this COVID-19 and protect people from this COVID-19. I also appeal to the people to cooperate with police and also follow all COVID guidelines so that we together can prevent this COVID-19 and can win over it.